CruzTOOLS. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Ian here with CruzTOOLS, and this is the EconoKit H1 for your Harley-Davidson. The EconoKit H1 falls in between our full top-of-the-line Road Tech kits and our EconoKit H2, which is a little bit pared down to fit into a smaller space. Let's open up this kit and see what it's got inside. With this toolkit open, you can see electric tape, spark plug gap tool, 13/16 and 5/8 spark plug tools, a small pack of Loctite, 6-in-1 screwdriver and nut driver kit, star drive tools, Allen drive tools, zip ties and baling wire, a tire pressure gauge, locking pliers, an adjustable wrench, and a selection of combination wrenches in SAE as well as 10mm metric. The EconoKit H1 brings you professional quality tools at consumer-friendly prices with a lifetime guarantee and a no questions asked warranty. With CruzTOOLS, you can fix it.
CruzTOOLS. You can fix it.